In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to factory reset your iPhone and remove iCloud for 2025. Before we dive into the process, it's important to understand why you might want to do this. Factory resetting your iPhone will erase all data, giving you a fresh start or preparing the device for a new owner, plus removing iCloud ensures that your personal information stays safe. Let's start with turning off Find My iPhone. This step is crucial because if it's still enabled, you won't be able to reset your phone. Begin by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. You'll see your name at the top, tap on it. Now locate and select iCloud, and within that menu look for Find My iPhone. Once you're in the Find My iPhone section, you'll see a toggle button. If it is turned on, ensure you switch it to off. To proceed, you will be prompted to enter your Apple ID password. Type it in and this will deactivate Find My iPhone. Next up is erasing all content from your device. Head back to your main settings page and navigate to General. Scroll down until you find Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on it. Here you will see the option to erase all content and settings. Select this option. You will have to confirm that you indeed want to proceed. The system will ask for your device passcode, so enter it when prompted. Following this, you'll need to enter your Apple ID passcode again to verify that you intend to erase everything. At this point, your iPhone will initiate the factory reset process. The phone will reboot and erase everything from its internal storage. It will also unlink your device from iCloud provided that Find My iPhone was turned off in the earlier steps. Keep in mind this process may take a few minutes, so ensure your phone is connected to a power source to prevent any interruptions. Once the reset is complete, your iPhone will restart as if it's brand new. You'll have to go through the setup process again, just like you did when you first bought the device. This includes setting up your language, Wi-Fi settings, and Apple ID. If you're preparing the device for someone else, you might want to stop here. Otherwise, you're all set to enjoy your iPhone anew. And that's all there is to it. Now you've successfully reset your iPhone and removed it from iCloud. This entire process is an excellent way to ensure your personal data stays safe when upgrading or switching devices. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or to share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time.